Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you guys how to hopefully resolve if you're getting errors saying that only one instance of the game can be running at a time. So this should hopefully be pretty quick, and without further ado, let's jump right into it. So we're going to begin by right clicking on a blank spot of our taskbar, and then left click on Task Manager. And now you want to left click on the tab that says Details. If you're running Windows 7 or Windows 8, just click on the Processes tab. Doesn't really matter, but I just like seeing the details because this better represents what you guys would be seeing on Windows 7 and Windows 8. You want to locate a process on the left side here, so just sort by name. You want to locate hl2.exe, and all you want to do is just basically right click on it and then left click on End Task. And then you might need administrative privileges to click on OK. And that's pretty much it. So again, hl2.exe is what you're looking for, and hopefully once you have disabled that process, it should be good. So I do have this brief tutorial, was able to help you guys out, and as always, thank you for watching, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.